Hello, traders. It's Andy with Trade Ideas. It is September 13th, and boy, looking at the market, we are getting kind of just pinched more and more, kind of in this wedge, as you can see here. So, man, it's a good time to kind of sit on your hands. We will look at some setups, but I keep it tight and take profits quick until we break out of this wedge, one side or the other. All right, real quick, let's take a look at some things that are working. This ARDX, I've mentioned it now for the last 2 days, and looks like it's trying to gap up above, right at this high, this two little gold post here. So we'll see what happens. This is one I'm not in, but I would have preferred to pick up down here, closer to the 10-period moving average. But we'll see what happens. Could be a volume breakout there. RELY. Let's take a look and just might want to set you alert. This is a huge level up here around the 2570. So I think until then it's tough to do anything, but put you alert right there around the 2570 and RELY. Another one you want to keep an eye on. I'm not sure if or when it's going to happen, but NTAP is huge level up here at 80. So you want to put your alert in there just to kind of bring it to your attention if it does go off, because like I said, that's a huge pivot level, resistance level. If it goes through, that could be explosive. One other here, let's take a look, maybe a couple other. XPEV is a little Chinese play that came across my nice setup scan that I have. Kind of in no man's land, but above is all its moving averages. Another one that can be explosive. And the last one is this MTG, and I just love the way this is setting up. If I drew the wedge, you could see it there, and if it does get above maybe the 1750 level, it's worth maybe 1760, maybe worth a shot there. All right, have a good one. We'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye.